Are you looking for the best mushroom growing kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best mushroom growing kits. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pink Oyster Mushroom Grow Kit. The Pink Oyster Mushroom Growing Kit is undeniably one of the prettiest kits for growing mushrooms. Not only does it possess an elegant soft pink base, but it also sprouts gorgeous, vividly pink mushrooms. This kit provides you with absolutely everything you need to grow your own mushrooms, just add water. It has a 100% growth guarantee too, so no worries about messing anything up. If somehow you do, and your mushrooms don't grow, you can ask for another kit or your money back. An unusual feature of this kit is that it can last many months, unopened, without the mushrooms starting to grow. This feature makes it a great gift option. After all, who wouldn't want bright pink mushrooms growing in their home? Once you do open the box and prepare your mushrooms, you simply have to mist them on a regular basis, and in a few weeks' time, they will be fully grown and ready to be eaten. That the growth time is longer than some of the other mushroom kits could be seen as a downside. However, it just gives you more time to admire these beautiful pink mushrooms before you eat them. It is an easy kit to use, perfect for pink-loving adults or kids. Moving on at number 4, we have the Root Mushroom Farm Golden Oyster Mushroom Growing Kit. The great thing about Root Mushroom Farm is their all-in-one kits, especially their golden oyster mushroom. Unlike the ever-so-popular shiitake mushrooms, you won't need to do any soaking. You just set up the log in the humidity tent and mist every day. You also don't need to keep it in a dark place since this mushroom variety likes indirect light. Besides, you wouldn't want to keep such a pretty thing hidden. It's so fun to watch the golden caps grow. This kit is an incredible gift idea because of how low maintenance and decorative it is. Plus, you can get a lot of delicious mushrooms from this log. If anything, your problem is the excessive harvest that your log can't contain. At number 3, we have the Root Mushroom Farm Shiitake Mushroom Growing Kit. Log substrates are fantastic because they yield multiple flushes over a longer time frame. But don't worry, Root Mushroom Farm makes it easier to grow shiitake mushrooms on logs. Their shiitake mushroom growing kit includes a big inoculated log and a mushroom box that doubles as the humidity tent. The simple setup lets you grow shiitake mushrooms indoors in the most natural way possible. Unfortunately, the all-natural structure invites a common roommate for shiitake mushroom, green mold. These unwanted tenants can easily outnumber your shiitake mushrooms, causing them to stop growing. The kit includes a step-by-step instruction sheet that also outlines some tips to make the most out of one log. Honestly, you get less yield for the time and work compared to a quick grocery run. But the flavor of homegrown shiitake mushrooms is so much better. You pay for the experience of growing your own mushrooms and getting the freshest taste rather than quantity. At number 2, we have the North Spore Lion's Mane Oyster Mushroom Grow Kit. Dude, the lion's mane mushroom tastes like crab. We highly recommend it if you're sick of the ordinary, earthy edible mushrooms. It's hard to find this variety in the supermarket. But this grow your own mushrooms at home kit is easy to set up. Just open the box flap, cut through the plastic with a sharp knife, and spray the mycelium block. North Spore also has other varieties like pink oyster mushrooms, blue oyster mushrooms, and golden oyster mushrooms. It takes over a week before you see some action since the mushroom grows in big clumps. But, don't worry, multiple harvests reward your patience. Just be extra careful of loose spores because the block is not compact. And keep a close eye on them when you see your first clump. Sadly, it falls short of being the best kit because you need to remind yourself to take care of the growing mushrooms. Our top pick made their kit worry-free using a simple tech feature. And finally at number 1, we have the Back to the Roots Organic Mushroom Growing Kit. Growing your own mushrooms is easy and fun. It's even better when you can choose the color and size of your kit. This variety is the regular pearl oyster mushroom. It has a delicate but pungent flavor. But you can also get pink oyster mushrooms. Overnight soaking is an extra step you need to take with this kit. But back to the roots makes up for it by reminding you of what your growing mushrooms need. Check out the phone number registration info on the instruction sheet to sign up for daily text notifications. And don't worry, you won't get annoying spam messages from them. So, how do you grow this best mushroom growing kit for beginners? This best edible mushroom growing kit has everything you need out of the box. Yes, it has a spray bottle too. On the first day, soak the mushroom bag overnight. From days 2 to 6, mist the growing mushroom kit at least twice a day. Feast your eyes on the ultra-satisfying time-lapse of our top pick in action. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.